Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the refrigerant type. On most G37s, it's R134A, so make sure your can matches. Put on goggles and gloves, then open the hood and locate the low-side service port near the accumulator. Once found, clean the cap, remove it, and attach the gauge hose hand-tight. Check the static pressure on the gauge to get a baseline reading so you know how much to add once the engine runs. With the engine running and a /C set to max cold and fan high, you'll see pressures stabilize. This tells you the system is active. Attach the recharge can to the gauge and open the valve briefly to add refrigerant in short bursts, no more than 1/2 can at a time. Wait 30 to 60 seconds after each burst for pressure and cabin temperature to settle, and monitor both gauge PSI and vent temperature to avoid Once the low side pressure sits in the 25 to 45 psi range at roughly 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, ambient and vents are noticeably cold. Stop adding refrigerant. Close the valve, disconnect the hose, and reinstall the service cap. Make a note of how many cans you used and test drive to confirm sustained cooling. If pressure won't rise or it falls soon after, make sure to stop. Search for leaks with soap solution or an electronic detector before adding more refrigerant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.